So this is the fourth video we're making, and let me talk about the third paragraph now. In the first paragraph, he began by saying that there is struggle in class. In the second paragraph, he gave examples of this struggle, the two upper class and lower class. Let's read the third paragraph. In the earlier epochs of history, we find almost everywhere a complicated arrangement of society into various orders, a manifold gradation of the social rank. So clearly, he continues the idea in second paragraph. For example, he says that there is a social order, there is gradation, there is social rank in which one class is placed at a higher level, the other class is placed at a lower level. Like in Nepal, also in our society, you have this concept of upper caste and lower caste. That's the wrong thing. In ancient Rome, we have patricians. Now, here example. What is the idea? The idea is society has rank. Society has rank. The idea. Now, detail. He talks about ancient Roman history, and he says that there were patricians, upper class people. Then below them were knights. Below them were plebeians. Below them were slaves. So you see the order or gradation or social rank: patrician, knight, plebeian, slaves. Like in our society, you have this wrong concept of caste, in particularly in Hinduism, Brahman, Kshatri, Vaishya, Shudra. The many people falsely think that this is a rank. This is not a rank, but it is treated as a rank wrongly. Okay. Then he writes, in ancient Rome, we have patricians, knights, plebeians, slaves in the Middle Ages. Now, feudal lords at the top, vassals, guildmasters, journeymen, apprentices, serfs at the bottom. Let's quickly check who was a vassal. Probably somebody who had land to till. Okay, quickly. Okay, we have the meaning. So a vassal is a person who has a mutual obligation to a lord or monarch or feudal in feudal times. A vassal receives protection and land like kamaya, often called a fief from the lord or monarch, who is also called suzerain. A vassal pays homage and fealty, which means loyalty and service to the lord or monarch. Like somebody, you give land to someone, you give land to someone, and they work for you. Okay. So I don't know if you could see the screen. I guess the screen was not shared and not visible to you. But a vessel is a person who tills someone's lord's land. So you see again in the Middle Ages, lords, vessels, lords having land, vessels having no land, vessels working in the land but not owning the land, lords owning land but not working in the land. Then guild masters, the controllers of business group, or a class of society that has some money, and journeymen working under them. Then apprentices, one who is novice learning a new trade, and serfs, again the rank, uh, lords, vessels, guildmasters, journeymen, apprentices, serfs. In almost all of these classes, again subordinate gradations. Again, within lords also you will see higher rank, lower rank. So what is the point here? The idea in paragraph 3 is that there was complicated arrangement of society into various orders, grades, social ranks, classes. And in these classes, one class was regarded to be higher in rank, the other was regarded to be lower in rank, and the higher rank always exploited the lower rank. And as a result, the people in the lower rank always fought with the higher rank people, and the class struggle continued and society moved ahead. In the next video, we'll talk about the next paragraph.